Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use navigation on Lexus RX 350 Easy Method. Tap the menu button and select MAP/voice, enter your destination using the touchscreen or voice command, confirm the route, choose route options like fastest or shortest, adjust volume for voice guidance, save favorites, and check traffic info for better routing. I'll walk you through setting a destination, choosing route options, and using voice prompts so you feel confident behind the wheel. Start by pressing NAV on the console, enter an address or POI, and select a suggested route. Use the steering wheel buttons to repeat voice directions, switch between 2D and 3D map views, and save locations to favorites for quick access on future trips. Check traffic overlays and adjust rerouting to avoid delays. Voice navigation makes hands-free routing simple and safe, and I will show practical phrases and tips to improve accuracy. Say navigate to then state the full address, landmark, or business name, and confirm when prompted. If voice fails, use the touchscreen keyboard, calibrate voice recognition in settings, and keep your Bluetooth phone contact permissions enabled for address lookups and smoother navigation results. Also, periodically check for map updates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.